everybody, so today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna try and glow up, cause college, Zoom University starts tomorrow. Well, actually my first class got canceled on the first day, so technically my first day of school is gonna be on Friday. As you can see, I already started the process of trying to glow up. Instead, I think I glowed down because I cut my hair. As soon as I was walking out of that hair salon, I was like, what did I do? I look like Lord Farquaad without the ponytails. Why did I ever think that a short hairstyle was gonna look good on me? Next step is probably eyebrows. They don't look bad, but I don't want to get them threaded, so I'm just gonna like do it for myself. Sometimes I have like super thick little hairs, so that's when I do it with this. It hurts, but it doesn't grow back thicker. So I'm just gonna do this off camera. I am done. Not much difference, but there it is. Day 2, I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna shave. And I'm gonna wax my armpits. Cause like every once in a while I wax them because it makes the hair grow thinner sometimes. I'm in the bathroom. I don't want to speak too loud because you can hear the other side. Hold up, my lips are usually not that dry. Please ignore that, guys. But this is the wax I'm gonna use. It's in Spanish because I got it on vacation somewhere else. This is really simple. You like measure it and then you just cut it. Very easy. I don't want you guys to see my armpits, so I'm just gonna like do this up, and then I like to warm it up a little bit here. Okay, it mostly worked, like it came out. So I'm gonna do my nail with this. Can't even see me. Like, maybe put you guys a little bit down. I'm just gonna measure my shit. There's like a lot of tutorials where you can see this. All of this is just nail polish. I bought all of these nail polishes thinking I was gonna go to college, so I wouldn't have to invest in like other things. Like I could just do my nails myself. So you can get like all these nail polishes like at a lower price at TJ Maxx and at Marshall's. Really good colors and all. I was actually thinking about this color, but I also saw this like light purple or bluish one, but I think I'm gonna go with this one for today. I'm not gonna show it because it's gonna take a long time to do it. I'll just show you when they're done. Okay, so I'm done with the nails. I messed up on these two. They look ugly. I don't know like why. I just like did my nail like this. Stupid. And they came off. This is how they look like. That's it for the nails, you know. This took me about an hour to do by myself. Usually when I have someone helping me, it takes like a little less. But yeah, this is how I do my nails at home. I finished with my nails. I replaced the ugly ones and I look so bad in this lighting. I use this face mask. It's just like sitting there in my desk, so I'll use it. It has to do a patch test, but we're not gonna do that. Maybe I should have tied back my hair before doing this. Lip place. I look so bad. Oh my god. Ow, I poked my eye. Yeah, you're gonna see me after this because I do not like this view. Oh my god. Like, it started burning like right here. Maybe I should have done the patch test. Oh my god, my face is red. I felt my skin kind of weird. Do a patch test, don't just put stuff on your face, guys. This video is proof. My face itches like crazy. It was like I just shut the camera off like 10 seconds ago, went to the bathroom and my face started itching. You can't even see the redness on camera, but I forgot to film an outro, so here you go. Bye guys.